Hello. Today we are going to start with the letter A. The letter A, you see the big and the small. The big and the small. The big is the uppercase and the small is the lowercase. Upper, up and low, up and low. Uppercase, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase and lowercase. So letter A is the letter of the day, of today. So we are going to be learning about the words that starts with the letter A. So over here, and how the letter sounds. A is for apple. Apple. And we have apple here. I know you guys love to eat apple. I like apple too. Which color of apple do you like? Is it this one or the green or the yellow color? Which one do you prefer? I like the red. I also like the green because they are crunchy and juicy. That's why I like apple. And do you know where we get the apples from? Do we dig apple from the ground? No. No. Where do we get the apple? The apples grow on trees, on apple tree, and that's where we pluck the apple from. Apples are from the trees. They grow on trees, and that's where we get the apples. The red apple, the green apple, all the apples grow on trees. And like you know, we love to eat apples because they are crunchy and juicy. Okay? So we have another look at this. Is what? This is an airplane. Airplane starts with the letter A. And where do we find airplanes? The airplanes are at the airport. When we go to the airport, we see different kinds of airplanes. Big, small. None of them is small. They are all big and huge. They are very big. And this is just a toy airplane. And the airplane, it carries so many people from one place to the other, and it flies in the air. It doesn't fly, it doesn't go on the road. It's only on the sky. So our airplane flies, it takes off. Vroom. It goes. It can fly like 10 hours without stopping. Some can fly more than that. Some can fly 8 hours, 6 hours, non-stop. So I love to fly in the airplane. I don't know about you. You want to go on the airplane? And remember, the airplane starts with the letter A. A is for airplane. And we have another fruit or vegetable that starts with letter A. We have the avocado. You all like to eat avocado. I like to eat avocado myself. Avocado starts with the letter A. And where do we get the avocado from? Where do we find the avocado? We get them in the stores, but where are the store people get? Where are the avocados? How do we get the avocado? Is it on the ground? No. Avocado grows on trees. Avocados grow on trees, up in the trees. And we have another. There's an animal that starts with the letter A. Do you know the animal? It's the alligator. The alligator. The alligator. Over here is an alligator. It lives in the water. It likes to live in the water. That's where it lives. It lives in the lakes, in the swampy water, the swampy area. And it is not a friendly animal. So when we see the alligator, we try to stay away from the alligator because alligator has big mouth with big teeth, and the teeth can bite. It can bite off our fingers, our hands. So when we see an alligator, we try to stay away. We stay far away from the alligator. And alligator has it's greenish. It has this, everything about alligator is green. It's a green animal that crawls. And that's alligator. And we have the ants. You see that sometimes when you go out the playground, sometimes you see an ant. Ant starts with the letter A. A is for ant. A is for alligator. A is for avocado. A is for apple. So, in summertime, in springtime and summertime, we see a lot of ants crawling all over the place. And we also have the ambulance. When someone is sick, when you call 911, what vehicle comes? Is the ambulance. It comes with the siren, with the colors flashing on top of the vehicle, and it's rushing, and all the cars are moving out of the way for the ambulance to pass, because ambulance is going to rescue, is going to, with the people inside, the doctors, the nurses, they're going to save someone's life. So ambulance is very, very important. And we find the ambulance in the hospitals. They transport sick people from their homes to the hospital to save them. and that's the ambulance. It starts with the letter A. A is for ambulance. And we have the axe. 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 Axe is, we use axe to cut down trees. And it has a sharp edge that you use it to cut, and cut the trees down. And we have some nuts that starts with the letter A. Some of you like to eat the nut, and the nut I'm talking about is, what do you think it is? What nut do you think I'm talking about? I'm talking about the almond. Almond nuts. Almond have milk too. Almond milk. And some of you drink almond milk. So almond starts with the letter A. A is for almond. A is for ant. A is for avocado. A is for apple. A is for axe. A is for alligator. And A is for airplane. Yay! So let's go over the words again that starts with the letter A. We have the apple, we have the airplane, we have the axe, we have the avocado, we have the alligator, we have the ambulance, we have the ant, and we have the almond. All these starts with the letter A. And we have some names too that start with the letter A. We have friends like Anita. Anita starts with the letter A. Alex starts with the letter A. Anne starts with the letter A. And so many other names that starts with the letter A. And we have some months of the year like the April. April starts with the letter A. So we see so many things that start with the letter A all around us. So can you check in your homes and see what you can find that starts with the letter A? So letter A is all over, everywhere. So can you look around and see what you can find that starts with the letter A. And let me see. Can I see something else here that starts with the letter A? Oh, yeah. You remember, yeah. Animals. Animals starts with the letter A. A is for animal. Yay! And we have so many animals. We have animals as pets. We have the dog. Do you have dog in your house as your pet? How about cats? All these are animals. And this animal starts with the letter A. And this brings us to the end of this circle time with Ms Basilia. And please follow me on Facebook and on YouTube. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. Bye.